Go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back for yet another session. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce to you our first rock star performer from the chapter Kohinoor, Mr. Navneet Modani. Few conduct business out of need to build an empire, but my friend Navneet Modani does it for his love for jewelry, his passion for design, and his goal to give customers an unforgettable experience. I'm sure he has a lot of ladies who love him, which is a very good place to be in. Dear associate, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce a member who is thoroughly invested in the upliftment of this community. His enthusiasm is contagious as it inspires everyone he meets. Every time he's here, we learn something new from him. And every time he leaves, we look forward to his next meeting. Yes, we're talking about Navneet Modani. We want to learn about his brand, Alankit Jewelers. He has given us all a new outlook on how jewelry expands beyond the concept of a commodity into the realm of an experience and memories. Developing a personal touch with his customers has helped the brand grow manifold in only a few years of him setting his boutique jewelry studio. Today, Alankrit Jewelers enjoys a growing base of loyal, beautiful customers who go to the store not just for an experience, but also to get access to the latest designs in the market. With an in-house designs and artisans team and master craftsmen working diligently on these designs, customers get a great value for their investment. As giving back to the society features a top of the list for Alankrit Jewelers, list on top priorities along with customer satisfactions. Initiatives like Garki Lakshmi have been immensely successful. Without a further ado, let me invite Navneet to teach us all more about what his brand is all about and what he is going to share with us today with the online model. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Navneet Modani. Over to you, Mr. Navneet.
Thank you so much, Jagruti, for a wonderful intro. I really appreciate for that. And first of all, greetings from Alankrit Jewelers, Navneet Modani, to all the visitors, the exhibitors, and everyone. Thank you so much for the opportunity. It's a great pleasure for me to being in the part of the expo. And on that, it's very important that I am being as a presenter so that I can share you the new knowledge, the new update, the new investments in gold, where you should not need to worry. Still gold higher also. First of all, I'll just share my screen share. So yeah, people will be thinking, "Arey yaar, gold go with the pandemic. Hai, a lot of pandemic issues, corona issues, to go or not to go. A lot of things will be there. How to go?" And they will hesitate to come to a jewelry, because a jewelry is a piece where everyone will come and touch the things and again keep it back. So it will be little hard for them to trust, "Arey, kaisa hoga?" So definitely no need to worry. Alankrit is always been updated to the market so that we can rock the market. We can make sure that our clients and the new people will be very comfortable and happy with Alankrit Jewelers, with the designs, with the service, with the pricing, and with being with the personal touch. So here I just start my session presentation. So we are coming with an AR technology in the jewelry industry. It's AR means augmented reality jewelry shopping experience, which you can sitting at home comfortably, sitting from your office comfortably. You can see, you can explore Alankrit Jewelers in real mode. How does it work? I will let you know. Please stay tuned. In current challenges, for jewelry retail sector, it's either, as I said, in current scenario, it's difficult for our customer to try jewelry physically. They will hesitate to encourage and try something different, buy and give ease to customer before they take decisions. We came up with Android and iOS app for jewelry trade. So the new approaches in sales are vital to keeping our business in step with correct time. As I said, on the correct time, we wanted to be updated for our clients so that makes them easy and easy way to shop jewelry online. I know many people will be thinking jewelry, how can be online? Because they need a personal touch. But what we came when the market, everything is going online, when the expo is going online virtual, why can't we do it? It's my challenge. The same thing, we worked hard and we came up with the mobile AR application where it can be a real augmented look, real feel, touch and everything. You'll be looking forward. Encourage our customer to buy fast using mobile or tablet app, trying unlimited design from our e-catalog jewelry. We will be having our e-catalog jewelry where you can, from your mobile or tablet, as you are seeing right now virtually, the expo and my presentation, same way you can see it from your mobile, complete my art, jewelry designs, everything. Earlier, it was only for the necklace or jhumkis, but we came up with everything. Maybe a vardhanam, maybe jhumki, maybe a nose pin, small item, maybe a papat billa, tika, what we say, a necklace, a choker, a haram, everything can be seen very real in real look. So using AR app, customers can virtually try on the inventory hassle-free in real time, as I said, and real size in front of the camera with just a swipe with our augmented reality technology. AR is in camera mode. Camera mode is in default mode of application. Customers can virtually try on the inventory hassle-free. As I said, if you can see the images, what our model has wore, the haram, you can see the jhumka she wore. In one image, right side image, you can see she wore the jhumkas, nose pin, tika, and vardhanam also. It's a lot of things to explore. It's very easy. As you are right now on the virtual, it's same kind. So apart from that also, we have a second mode option as what you call a inventory. This mode helps to view inventory virtual or static image. You can get your image. So for example, right now we are online. So people are connected not even from Hyderabad, from different part of cities in India, apart from India, and different places apart from India also. In this AR technology, the beauty of this is people sitting at US also, they can try my jewelry in real mode by sending their images also, or by say checking on a model image where they can see how it looks. So you can try every jewelry on that. The important part we added, few things are wish list and profile. Customer can separate the like products from numerous of inventory by wish listing them with simple tapping of hearts on the side. You can see there is a heart button. You can click it and it goes to your wish list. And moreover, we have a few extra features in this where it makes more beauty. It's add more beauty. Obviously, the jewelry definitely when it wore by the woman, definitely it's add more beauty. Same way, what we added is with that beauty, we added a frame also, framing also. Thing is, there will be a background music. If you want, you can customize it. You have an antique mirror frame to add more beauty, and we have a bindi options also. So how it looks, because when we want to wear traditional jewelry, definitely when everything is there, it looks different. It gives a different look actually. The important thing and the beauty of this application is you can share it on social media platforms. You can see immediately the moment you click the image, there you will get an option of share option where you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook. You can mail it up to your friends, relatives, family members. As I said, people staying in US, definitely they will like it. But the thing is, they wanted to make feel of their family members who is staying in India how it looks. So when it happens, when you click the image, take it a shoot and forward as a SM WhatsApp to your family members or friends and relatives, so that they can see and actually they can see, oh, exactly, you're looking very awesome, beautiful. And that's how it works out with social media. You can share it up. Everything is easy. Customer can share the image trying on jewelry with there will be our brand logo on various social media platforms for fashion advice. So this is a thing you can utilize completely our mobile application app, where it makes you easy to understand the jewelry. So no need of hesitating. This is a pandemic, the corona things are there. In future also, definitely we hope so corona goes vanish away very soon. But still, as we came virtually on the expo, let's try to jewelry on expo also virtually, so that it makes us easy to buy. So very frankly, I can say the target audience is the IT people, definitely you will be busy with your schedule and everything. But by sitting from your office, you can wear our jewelry designs, might be light to lightweight, heavy to heavyweight. Moreover, adding to this beauty, what we are doing is we are coming up with exciting offers who purchase from a mobile application, where they should feel that, okay, definitely by traveling, coming, time, everything they can save. But instead of that also, they will be saving extra more on their money, what they are putting up for a jewelry. And always I say, gold, definitely gold is trust, and trust is forever. This is was added to Alankrit Jewelers, where people comes from past 25 years. The people are still our clients, the generation clients are there, so that they can trust us. They trust us, and they come, they send their children also. Now, you have seen the AI technology part. It's very easy, very friendly, a lot of things coming up. With this, what we came up with is our new purchase plan. Alankrit always want to be in customers' mind and heart. So with the heart, we already presented you AI technology. With the mind, what we wanted to say is still it's the right time to invest in gold. Definitely, I would now again, I will say it's the right time to invest in gold. For example, when you say those who are watching me, you can just go back to your ages and you can check it out. The day when you born, what was the gold price? The day when you married, what was the gold price? The day a first child born, what was the gold price? And today, what is the gold price? Definitely, I can understand a lot of volatility is there in the market, but gold is a never ending. Definitely, you can see in near future, gold will go high. So it's right time to buy, right time to think on investment in gold. Many people say, clients are, yeah, definitely everything is good, but how can I immediately, if I want a necklace worth rupees 4 to 5 lakhs, how can I buy it? We say we have option. You come to us. Here is the option. What I can say, very safest, very best things, and much more benefited when you calculate in terms of interest wise also. Just see on the screen. Here we have introduced planning of introduced new purchase plan. Why I mentioned planning means yet to launch, everything has been done. So just waiting for the right time, and it's coming soon. So just, we have a short-term purchase plan, which is 6 plus half month, and we have a long-term purchase plan, which is 10 plus 1 month. Earlier it used to be only 10 plus 1, but what we came up with, let's give a chance for the people if who wanted to have immediate purchases, right? For example, now a new within 6 months, a lot of other things will come, so people can think on it. They can buy it for the next purchase. For next February season, they can invest here, and they can purchase on in the month of February with 6 plus half month plan. Also, we have long-term plans for 10 plus 1. So you will be knowing what is 6 plus half and 10 plus 1. Here is the thing, the purchase plan, what the name what we are given is Alankrit Shubharam plan. It's for a golden tomorrow. Alankrit Shubharam for a golden tomorrow. Shubharam, the name, we have lot of things to this. The things were coming in our mind, what to be kept a good name and everything. So we have run a poll in our social media with 4 different names. Then we got a maximum likes, maximum viewers choice was Shubharam, because everything should be a Shubh Aram. So we have named it as Alankrit Shubharam for a golden tomorrow. So here the 6 months, 6 plus half month plan, where we have a 15,000 monthly, 12,000 and 10,000 monthly plans with 195 days maturity redemption over, and you get a bonus of 50% in that, with 7,500 of bonus and 12.5% straight away discount for the first month installment. So which is 1875. Likewise, 12,000, 10,000, we have different plans, and this is the thing where you can see the benefit what a client gets in this. A total benefit of people is coming is 9,375 for 15,000, which they invest every month 15,000, but not every month 15,000. The first month, absolutely, you will be having a benefit of 7,500. Sorry, 1875 will be less in your 15,000, and the total comes to 88,125, where straightforward you are benefiting 99,375. The net amount comes to 97,500. This is for 6 plus half month. The moment you start and 6 months finishes, after 15 days the maturity over, And with this, you get 97,500 for 15,000 monthly plan. So on, we have 15,000, 12,000, and 10,000. Same way, we have 10 plus 1 month plan, where 15,000 monthly when you invest it for 10 months or 330 days, you get 15,000 1 month extra benefit. 10 months you pay, 1 month we give, that is 15,000, and straightforward 25% discount on first installment. 25% discount on first installment what you get, and the amount is 3,750 the moment when you come and join this new plan, where for first 15,000 for the first month you need to pay only 11,250 for the first installment. Here are the benefits what you get. 15,000 for 10 months is 3,750 discount, 15,000 bonus amount. Total is for 1,46,250 what you pay, and what you get is 18,750 from Alankrit added it to your account. At the maturity day, you get 1,65,000 worth jewelry. Same kind, 15,000, 12,000, and 10,000. So these are the two Shubharam plans for people who can think for a future to invest. Now, definitely, I can say you will be having a question in your mind. Arey yaar, gold rate to badh raha hai. What in that case? Don't worry. We have a simple locking facility, gold rate locking facility at the maturity date. So whenever you want to come, whenever you come and purchase, lowest rate will be applicable. The thing is, it's very clearly lowest rate is applicable, where whenever your maturity date is there, whatever rate is there, the rate will be get fixed. When you come for purchase, whichever is the lowest rate up to the maturity amount, you will get applicable. That rate is applicable. So no need to worry for that. A good thing, even now is the right time to buy gold or diamond jewelry with Alankrit Jewelers. Definitely, of course, these are the plans what we came. Hope you the good thing about this is we have complete online payment. By clicking www.shubharam.alankritjewelers.in, you can directly log in. You can check your details, how many months you paid, how many months you're supposed to pay, when is your maturity date, and you get the payment gateway there. You can immediately click the link and you can make a payment. You immediately will get the receipt generated through mail or to message, so that it will very clear, transparent mode, and it's the very safest thing what I can say. Though Alankrit always says our client base is from past 25 years. As Jagrati ma'am was saying in introduction about us, it's just true. We have a client base with the generation, and definitely we have our own in a designer team. We have our own manufacturing unit where we focus on designing. We have a good team. We have 4 partners. One focus only on the design, one focus only on the manufacturing kind, and 2 are take care of customer relationship and the back end, where a person who comes to Alankrit, I can guarantee you they will be get satisfied with the jewelry, with the designs, with the workmanship, with the service and quality and pricing. What I can say. This is all from my end. Hope you all
so
got a very
I
clear
have a
clarity.
question. I have a
Definitely.
question. Navneet,
Sure,
I have
sure.
a question for you.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
supposing I enroll for the scheme today, Shubharam scheme, and today let's take the price of gold is 50,000 rupees, and the day that I come 10
Yeah.
months later, the price is 60,000. So do I get it at 50 or do I get it at 60?
No, ma'am. It is very clear. See, future no one can predict. Not even me or you can. You see, when I can say 15 days before, I'll just stop my screen sharing. Just a moment. The 15 days before, the gold price was 58,600. It went up to 58,600. Now again it's 51,000, close to 51,000. So future we can't predict, but what we can give a secure guarantee is whenever the maturity date is there, that rate will be blocked for you. And when you come for purchase, when you come for purchase, the rate is high, then this rate will be applicable. Lowest rate will be applicable. Suppose when you block when the maturity date rate is high and we have blocked the rate, but when you come for purchase, if that rate is lowest, then that rate will be applicable for you. What we can say.
So can we bring my entire kitty to you? I have a kitty of 11 women. We want to start this.
Definitely, Jagrati ma'am, I will say please do once visit. Everyone, whenever we do regular physical expos and everything, I say my people, I say our clients, please do visit. Just go through the designs, what we have, the service, what we do, the pricing and everything. When you satisfy, then plan next time for the jewelry. Like, very frankly, I can say, because I have a trust, not even on my designs, but the quality, service, pricing, what I can give to you. That's for sure. And really, we welcome you, ma'am, with your members also, so that they can come and they can experience Alankrit Jewelers and the shopping experience also. What I can say.
Thank you so much. We are very, very grateful to you for coming on board as one of the gifting partners. We thank you for your support. Kohinoor Business Expo would not have been possible without your support and effort. Thank you so much, Navneet ji.